There are a ton of those so-called keto bars out there, but did you know that none of them actually meet your macros? In fact, many of these bars are likely to take you out of ketosis instead of putting you in it. It's finally time to ditch those posers. The Kiss My Keto bar is here, and it's the real deal. Each bar is loaded with 20 grams of fat, 9 grams of protein, and an immeasurable amount of flavor. And the best part is that one bar only has 3 grams of net carbs and 1 gram of sugar. Crazy, right? It's the perfect choice for any ketoer that needs their chocolate fix fast. Our delicious flavors include chocolate peanut butter, chocolate coconut, and chocolate cookie dough. That's right, Kiss My Keto knows how to give the people what they want while delivering the right macros. Now, I know what you're thinking. Anita, why are you making me choose between all of these delicious bars? Looks like I'm gonna have to hijack a Kiss My Keto truck, Fast and Furious style, to get everything that I want. Well, I like where your head's at, but thinking outside the box is so overrated, especially when the box is already stuffed with delicious keto bars. Our variety pack is perfect for anyone that has a fear of commitment. I'm looking at you, Paula. Here's what you need to do. Try out all 3 flavors at once, pick your favorite one, and then spend all your money getting more of that one flavor. Okay, maybe not all of your money, but you know, most of it. Each of our keto bars is packed with unsweetened chocolate, cocoa butter, sea salt, and of course, plenty of MCTs. After all, a keto product wouldn't be complete without MCTs. They're intentionally made with keto staple ingredients that fuel ketosis and support an active lifestyle. Personally, I like to throw my bars in the freezer for a bit and then let them chill. By the time I'm done with dinner, I have the perfect frozen dessert that helps me round out the day, the keto way. If you've already devoured your entire box and are still looking for a sweet treat, fear not, our blog over at kissmyketo.com has a ton of dessert recipes that you can whip up right at home. Keto bars are going fast, people, so make sure to grab your own box and start indulging today.